It was on the eve of the 19th anniversary of 9/11 that the Daily News reported the Treasury Department withheld some $4 million in payments from FDNY's World Trade Center healthcare program. The siphoning of the money had been happening for years.
The federal government has been balancing their books of New York City debts on the backs of money that was slotted for the 9/11 World Trade Center healthcare program through the fire department.
Now, with less than 10 days to Election Day, the federal government says it's refunded the money.
The only reason why Steve Mnuchin didn't wake up and say, oh my God, I feel so bad, and let me send that money back. That didn't happen. They did this because there's an election coming. And to use the FDNY screening program and the firefighters in New York City as a political piece in an election season is it just proves you have no bottom.
There has been bipartisan backlash against the Treasury Department for withholding the payments meant to cover medical services for firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics for years. At one point, Secretary Mnuchin even suggested the city should pay up the bill until finally relenting.
New York City firefighters enrolled in the 9/11 healthcare program, they can sleep well at night knowing that the program will be fully funded going forward.
I'm confident 100% that they did this because there's an election.
The Treasury Department said it was withholding the money due to an unrelated ongoing dispute over Medicare bills between the city and the feds.
Listen, if me and you were sitting at the end of the bar and you have a $200 bar tab and you can't pay it, the bartender should not ask me for that money. It's redunculous.